This is a 2003 Chevy Trailblazer, and to open the hood, the latch is just down here. You just pull it. And then to lift the hood, there's usually some type of a latch underneath. We're going to have to find that in order to raise the hood. Now in this case, when we go to, there's a little latch underneath. You can see a little opening here. And you just lift up, but the hood's still not coming up, so you have to lift up on the hood. Now there is a stand to keep the hood open, so we'll go ahead and lift that up. And there should be a little place. Oh, it's right there. That's where you're going to put the stand. So we're going to take this cap off right here. You need a big Phillips screwdriver to take that off, or maybe some pliers. We'll go ahead and take that off. And now I'm just going to use a big flathead screwdriver to unloosen this. Go ahead and take this off. There'll be one on this side. There is there's another one right there. Well, it looks like there's one down in there too. Let's see if we can get the flash on and see. Yeah, you can see there's one there, and hopefully that'll be enough. So we'll go ahead and remove those three and then take a look and see what we see. Hopefully you can see down there, but we're just unloosening the screw down there. There are three of them. We've already loosened the one on this other side. We've already done that, so that's popped off. We just need to get this other one that's down. You can see it right there. Once you loosen the screws, then you should be able to just lift this up and take it out. And I'm doing this by myself, so I'm going to have to do it with both hands. So I'll go ahead and pull it out. And then when you take off that cover, this is pretty good, because now you can see this is where you're going to change the air filter in this. Once you remove the cover, then really all you need to do is just pull off the filter, throw the new filter back on, put the cover back on, and then you are good to go. The only thing is, make sure that you get all of these connections. This needs to go up on this pipe. Make sure you put the filter where it should go, and it's really quite simple. Good luck, and make sure you subscribe to Big Al Repairs. Thank you so much.